Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Raise to Show Always On Display on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to access the apps menu. Then from here, you want to select Settings. Under Settings, tap on Watch Face, and under Watch Face, select Always On Display. From here, you now want to ensure that Always On Display is enabled. And once it's enabled, you want to scroll down until you get to this option, Raise to Show AOD. So to enable it, you want to select it. And now, whenever you raise your wrist, when your screen is off, your Huawei Band 9 screen is off, the Always On Display will appear. If you want to disable this option, then you want to select Raise to Show Watch Face, like that. And now, your Always On Display will no longer appear whenever you raise your wrist. So it's up to you to decide which one you prefer to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.